Alright, so go to our URL and type in ebay.com. Okay, now we will go ahead and click sign in at the top left or the top right. We can click my eBay. Both go to the same location. We'll go ahead and enter our user ID and password, and we'll click sign in. Okay, we are in. Hi, John. Project challenge, no messages. That's good. Okay. Let's go ahead and click the sell button, since that's what we are wanting to do in this module. As you can see, there's a spot here to list something. We actually do not want to choose this layout. Let's switch to advanced tool. We'll click continue. This is just a little bit more easier to understand and breaks it down more efficiently. Okay, so now we're gonna put in our title that I have here personally that I found. It's a Stanley, let's see, Fat Max cabinet on wheels. Okay. I've already taken pictures of these and uploaded them to my computer. So now we have a list of options, and usually the first one will always check. It'll always be accurate. Okay, that's it. Go down to the bottom, click continue. Okay, so here we have our listing page, and here's our title. Now, we're going to go ahead and open up another eBay tab up here, and we're going to go to ebay.com, and we're going to put in our title. Go ahead and refresh it. The title we had in our other listing, we're going to paste it in this tab in the search bar. This is going to be called our cross-referencing page. This is where we're going to cross-reference what we list on our page. So here we have 0 results found. So let's go ahead and just take off the last word here. Make it a little more general search. Okay, now we have 5 results found for what I have. So here's pictures of them right here, and then we have the title of each. And to the right, these are active prices, meaning that these are listed for sale currently on eBay. Here's $124.99 buy it now with no free shipping, so they could go all the way up to $30 free shipping on that. I usually list everything for me free shipping. So these are all the new listings for them, and we want the sold listings. So let's see what they're actually selling for. What are people buying my product for? Okay, so well, let's find out. Here's the same products again, and you'll notice the picture, the title, and then all the way to the right is how much they sold for, and to the left you'll see the condition, new in parentheses 8. So there's 8 new ones. If it was used, there would be a used below and the quantity. As you can see, we scroll down here, got 115, 104, 104, 104 free shipping, 114 free shipping. Okay, 124.99 free shipping, and you see the dates in the middle. Keep a track on how often they sell. Just keep up with the market. Now this first listing we want to pick, and I picked it because it looked the best and it sold for the most. So let's go ahead and look at the description of it. As you see here, it's got a, title, description that we really like. It looks kind of like a manufacturer description. That's what we're looking for. Okay, so the title here looks really good, and we are going to copy this title on our cross-reference page. And we're going to paste it on our listing page. So let's click our listing page. So here we have it. This is where we're going to publish this listing when we're done. And up there's our cross-referencing page. So we'll go ahead and paste in what we copied. And you can add or subtract anything from there if you want. We'll go to the condition list. New is sealed, unopened, brand new, never used. New other is new, but the box might be missing or is just open, might be missing accessories. You can read further on the details. We have manufacturer refurbished, seller refurbished, used for parts or not working, which is basically broken or something might be broken. Ours is used, so we'll click used and we have the option to write a description. Something very simple, catchy, that will show up right below the title in the listing. So we'll put excellent here. Oops. Excellent condition, exclamation. Simple, simple, simple. So we've got our title, condition with a description that's simple. And here's where we add pictures. So I already uploaded mine to my computer, so we'll go ahead and get them up here. Got 4 of them. You have the option to do 12 free pictures, which I do recommend. Like I said, this is just my sample store on eBay. That just gets the job done. We'll click upload and it doesn't take long. There we have it. We have our 4 good-looking pictures of the item I have. So again, to recap, title, condition, description, pictures. Below here we have the item specifics. You can remove them all or you can just leave them and just bypass it. Doesn't matter, either or. Not a big deal. I maybe used it twice. Okay, below here, this is the most important part. This is the product description and basically getting the customer familiar with what exactly they are purchasing. So I'm going to go ahead and open my Microsoft Office Word. I've created a template in. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. This is just an example I made when I first started. And you got a simple title with the model number and the condition. You've got a welcome banner. You can put greetings, welcome, thanks, whatever you want. You've got product features and condition, of course, always a condition. You got a little fancy statement, super fast delivery, free shipping, trusted seller. Okay. Feedback statement, just telling the customers that I'll definitely take care of you and, do everything to the best of my ability, and, great feedback is recommended. Okay, so we'll go ahead and copy this whole thing and press Control C on your keyboard. It will copy. Close that out, and we're here at our listing page. We'll paste it. And there it is. We'll go ahead and tweak it a little and center that. Okay. Everything looks good. We'll go ahead and center. Let's see. We'll go ahead and do both of these actually. That looks wonderful. Now this title doesn't match, so let's go ahead and copy our own title now. Control C on your keyboard to copy. And we'll paste it here. Control V on your keyboard will paste. Great, looks great. Title, welcome banner. Now we have product features. Where do we get the product features? Well, I already told you on the cross-reference page. We already looked at this example. And this exactly right here is the perfect example of a manufacturer description. This is what you would find on the back of a box or on a professional website. So we'll go ahead and paste only that. Only that. That's all we need. Go ahead and center this. Looks good. Good. Some bullets on the left, and we can leave that. Not really that big of a deal. Looks good still. Condition, well, ours is used. And I'll put excellent condition because it is in excellent condition. And everything is fully functional. So we'll go ahead and write fully functional. As used, condition should be fully functional. So please, guys, read the conditions. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. And that wraps it up. We'll go ahead and drop this down. And we'll center that. Super fast delivery, free shipping, trusted seller. Just looks good. Good marketing. Our feedback statement. Show our humble attitude, serving attitude. So to recap, title, condition with a description. We have our pictures, hopefully 12. A great description. Next up, we have price, auction or fixed price. Well, in this example, we're going to choose fixed price, and you should on most of your items. Fixed price, you get to choose whichever price you want to sell it at. An auction, you don't know. So we'll go to our cross-reference page and click back to see all the sold items here. 104, 114, 104, 125. So we've got a range, 125, maybe a little over 100. I think used, it's worth 90. So I'll put maybe 89, 95. You always want to round down. Never put $90. Never. It looks so much cheaper rounded down. Okay, right below here we have best offer. We don't want that. That's just another hassle. Quantity. Okay. I have one, so I'm gonna leave it 1. If I had 100 of these, I could write 100. If they all were identical. Duration, I want to have this listed on my account until it sells. So I'm gonna put good till canceled. I want it on there forever until I cancel it myself or in sales. eBay giving works, you can donate. Of course, you do not have to. Payment policy, you will choose PayPal. That is how you get paid, and that is the payment policy. So we've already set that up for you, and we will click on that. Will be our default. Below here, shipping policy. This is important, guys. Okay, we've already created one, but if you have not, I'll show you. Policy name, we will put here, let's see, default. Policy description, put free shipping. Okay. That's what we want there, and we'll go ahead and we want to actually set this as default shipping, yes. So that'll be your primary shipping. Flat cost all buyers, and services will go ahead and drop that box down and go to standard shipping, 1 to 5 business days. We're gonna go ahead and click free shipping. And handling time, guys, this is really important. This is mandatory, 1 business day. Please do 1 business day. This just means you have 1 full business day to ship your item out once the buyer pays for it. So that's pretty easy. No international shipping right now, guys, until we get really familiar with everything. I don't want you to mess up on anything internationally, so leave that as no. We won't deal with shipping rate tables right now. We'll go over that later. Exclude shipping locations. No locations are excluded. We do want that, so that looks great. Save and close. Okay. So I have already created one called default. And even changing the name, it's still the same. Okay. So I've already created one, so that's okay. I can go ahead and delete this one. I'll cancel. And we can go ahead and just select what we've already created. Okay, good. Everything looks good there. Next up, we have package type and weight. Okay, we'll go over this in a moment. And return policy. Do a 14-day or longer return policy, 14 to 30. Returns accepted, mandatory. 0 fees, and we'll click continue. Okay, and here's your review, your listing page, where you can just make sure you review everything before you continue. So continue, and that does it, guys. Congratulations, your item is listed for sale. Well, I'll catch you next module where we teach you how to ship it out after somebody buys it. Thanks again, guys. Congratulations.